Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn World. I am Manoj Kumar. Today I am coming with a new and very important concept from research methodology is research process. The process of research is very important in every research students and in every research field. So understanding these processes is very important thing. The research process is consisting of totally 7 steps. In that we are going to start with our research problem and end with an report. So we will start with an flowchart, and with explaining the flowchart we will see one example with all the stages. First stage is defining research problem. In the first step we are going to define a research problem. So before that we have to understand what is our research problem. So to understand this we have to read many times and many theses for to understand what is means by research problem. After that, whenever we have come to know that what is our research problem, then we have to define in a professional words. Like we can say the example that today we are facing corona cases in every day and in the whole world. So we will make a research problem on that. For example, in today's world, the people is very worried about corona cases and suffering because of corona, and so to overcome from that, we are going to make one theory by using that the corona cases will be decreases automatically. So this is our research problem. Then in the next step, we will see the review the literature. In the review the literature, we are going to see the number of literatures, that number of research has been done on our research concept or our research problem. To do this we have to search everywhere, like we have to search the articles, we have to search the book chapters, we have to see the internet, we have to search the internet surfing, then we have to see the database of collected in somewhere which is related to our concept, and survey papers. By reading all this we have come to know that what has been already done in our research problem. So understanding this what is already done in our research problem, we have to find the limitations, that whatever they have done in that they will have some limitations, because every research problem start with a limitation and end with a limitation. So in every research they have some limitations, so we are going to take that limitations as our research objective. So in the third we have to formulate the hypothesis. In the in a hypothesis refers to, we have to make an assumption that our research is going to be happening like that, it will give the result like that. It is not confirmed because we yet not completed our research, we are in the starting stage, but we have to say in a clear words that this research going to be like this and it will going to be give results like this. So to do this we have to formulate the hypothesis. Here hypothesis refers to assumption we are making on our research. The next stage we are going to design a research, and here we are including the sample design. In designing a research refers to, we are making one purpose or one set through which we are going to follow, that means we are making some stages and we are going to follow to conclude our research. So in here they are included sample design also. Here sample refers to part from the whole, it's not like a whole. For example, if you wanted to make a experiment on one thing and it has 100 or thousands of cases, so it doesn't mean that you have to collect all thousands and lakhs of cases. We have to take a part from it, like 100. In other lakhs of cases we have to take 100 cases and we have to make experiment, then we are going to explore that to lakhs of cases. So in this same way we are going to make a design and taking a sample from the whole world, and on that sample we are going to make a research. In the next step we are going to collecting the data. To do research we need to collect data, because without collecting data we are not going to conclude that what is going to happen, because to make experiment we need a data. It may be theoretical or it may be practical. So to do this collection of data, we have to search for everywhere. Like we have to collect by ourselves. They may be primary data. By collecting ourselves is a primary data, or may be collected through other sources like newspaper, articles, internet surfing. These are all are secondary data, because these all data are already published, and we are going to collect those data from everywhere. So in this stage we are going to collecting those data, and we will try to execute in our research, that how it going to be executed and what will be going to be result, giving the result. And in the next stage we are going to analyze the data. Here analyzing means testing hypothesis, means already we have formulated the hypothesis and we have told that our research is going to be like that, means it will give some results in such a way that it will be effective in our research. So in this we are going to testing our hypothesis, that whatever we have stated at this earlier, is it happening in the same like this, or it giving a other result. If giving the same result, then we are going to go to next step for interpret and report, or else whenever it does not give the desired report, then we are going to step back for data collection, and we have to again start with data collection. Then we have to analyze the test of the hypothesis, and after the analyzing data we are how to interpret and report. Interpret and report is the last step of research. In that we have to interpret, that we have to explain from starting to end, that from starting defining research, then literature survey, then formulating the hypothesis, research design, collected, how we collected primary or secondary data, then we analyze it, is it giving the desired output, or it is giving extra report, or it is giving a fails, or how it fails, and how you come to overcome from that research fails. So all the necessary information are going to explained, and making a report on that research basis. So this is all about research process. Thank you everyone.